Okay guys, welcome back to this video here. Today, this is just a quick recap from the trade I took today after the New York Open. I think it was a really good trade, but yeah, I'm going to explain this. And by the way, I think that's also interesting. So today I took a payout from Topstep. So I took a payout about $3,400. And also, and I think that's interesting for you guys, I'm starting to do a monthly series where I cut down all the cost I had for combines and I'm comparing this with my payouts. So I'm basically showing you my raw P&L, so what is left on my bank account at the end of the month or in the end of the month. So I'm literally showing you the PDF or the Excel file I'm also sending to my tax consultant. So this is really interesting. How much money is he really making? How much money is he getting after tax? Just to give you a real input. And yeah, but I think this will be in the beginning of February. So this will be a monthly series, but let's start with this trade here. So what kind of trade was it today? So what I've already marked here, let me just turn the session indicator on. So what we had here was we had London and manipulating up a bit higher, and then we had a down move since then, and we hit the daily open. And most of the time when we go up during Asia and then go lower London and we hit the daily open here, this most of the time it acts like a support zone. So of course I would never long straight up the daily open. Don't treat it like a supply and demand zone or something like this, but all the movement below the daily open most of the time is manipulation or accumulation. So I think we can leave this here, but this time here was way too early. So you can see here it's 5 a.m. New York time, so no trade time for me. And when it was interesting was, or when it started getting interesting was when ES swept this low here. I'm deleting this. ES swept this low here and NQ did not. So this was a sign of strength to me. So this was SMT here. And yeah, what I basically rated on was, I think we can go in the replay mode. So it's a lot easier to see. So what I wanted to see is also a swing on the hourly chart. So I have here the 5-minute chart, I have here the 15-minute chart, and here the 1-hour chart. And you can see this really well here. We had this hourly low here swept, and also this hourly low here. And this is all I wanted to see. And we had the SMT here. So this was the SMT I marked out here just from an hourly perspective. So I was like, okay, when we see reversal signs, I really want to long this. Yeah, and that's basically it. Like this was my setup today. So all I wanted to see was a push higher and then retest. So I marked out this order block here. Yeah, and you can see then we had the open immediately. So my stop loss was below this low here. And then we started to push higher here. And yeah, my target was basically just this old London high here. Was really fast TP hit. And that's it. So this was the trade. I'm just wondering, because this was a really fast explanation, maybe I skipped something. But I think there wasn't really something to skip. And today I was like, okay, I can't really use premium and discount. I mean, of course you can draw out the range here, but yeah, it's really simple. Like, what should I do here? Like, of course you could have shorted here if your buyers were bearish, but for me there was no sign. I mean, yeah, that's it. And yeah, if any questions about this, just let me know. And yeah, see you next time.